Hello there. In this video we consider the new Visio shapes that have been added to our website. There is another video on our channel with the overview of the copper solution Visio Stencils. The link is now on your screen and also in the description of this video. Now we are going to talk about fiber optic patch panels. To download the new Visio Stencils, you need to go to the download section on the website, then to the Visio Stencils section, and then you can find the corresponding link. We download the zip file and save it to My Documents, My Shapes, and we already have the created premium line folder. Now we are going to Visio. Select the items to make them active. Next, select the open frame that will be filled. As we can see, the set of elements is very large. There are fiber optic patch panels and a lot of additional components. Let's select the hybrid patch panel. We can add copper and optical modules. According to the case in our example, we need an adapter here. There are an empty adapter and adapters with modules. We choose LC duplex single mode. We also can add copper solutions. For example, shielded category 6A keystone. Now, you see an empty adapter where we have added the SC simplex adapter. Although it's easier to install a ready-made solution. Now we add a blank fiber optical patch panel, and can fill it with the appropriate modules. In this case, panel for 4 ports. Or we take the ready-made adapter panel. This is much simpler. Here is the panel for 8 ports. Information about each item is available. You can turn it on, see the part number, name, you can add the installation time, when the warranty expires, the installation location, the building, the room, and you can also add comments. Using this functionality, you can quickly create project documentation, block diagrams, prepare presentations and documentation to present the project to the client. We hope this functionality will be useful for you and help with your projects. Thank you for your attention.